Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IPFighter. Internet privacy is more important today than ever before. After all, everything you do online is tracked, and your IP address is no exception. The good news is, you can take control of your online privacy by legally changing your IP address, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. If you have a new IP address in mind, you can manually update it. This approach is not only swift but also grants you more control over your network connections. However, it's important to note that manual IP addresses are relatively easier to track and potentially hack. If you're using Windows operating system, follow these steps. Access Start, Settings, and Network and Internet. Select Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click on your current internet connection, then Edit next to IP assignment. Opt for Manual under Edit Network IP Setting. Enable IPv4 and type in these three boxes: IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. If you're using Mac operating system, follow these steps. Go to System Settings. Select Wi-Fi and open your current internet connection details. Open TCP/IP and configure IPv4. Choose Manually and input your new IP address. If you're using an iOS, follow these steps. Access Settings. Select Wi-Fi. Choose your network. Tap on IPv4 address. Configure IP by entering your new address. If you're using an Android, follow these steps. Access Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Access the settings icon next to your current network. Go to IP settings and choose static, then input your new IP address. Another way is use VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, can automatically alter your IP address by replacing it with that of a VPN server. This essentially masks your location, enhancing your online privacy and security. However, be aware that using a VPN might slightly slow down your internet connection and won't prevent tracking cookies. For the best results, opt for a reliable VPN service that offers a wide server selection and trustworthy encryption. The steps to use a VPN are usually as follows. Download and install a reliable VPN service. Launch the application. Toggle the switch to the on position. The next way is to use a proxy. A proxy server is essentially a middleman between you and the internet, adding an extra layer of security to your online browsing. Proxy separates end users from the websites they visit. While similar to VPNs, proxy servers don't encrypt your connection. When connected to a proxy server, you'll be assigned a temporary IP address. For proper setup, refer to our previous video detailing how to set up a proxy effectively. The last way is to change your IP address using a router. Your router serves as the central hub for all your connected devices, enabling them to access the internet simultaneously. If you encounter connectivity issues and suspect your router is sending out the wrong IP address, you can reset it to assign a new IP address. Keep in mind that this method may not work instantly, and you might experience a temporary loss of internet connection. Here's how to do it. Unplug your router for at least 5 minutes, considering your ISP's typical IP address reset time. Identify and note down your current IP address. Reconnect your router and check your IP address to confirm the change. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.